Okay, Mrs. Foster here. I want to give you some guidance on how to complete number 7, going further, on your geography and economics activity, the U.S. and Canada Partners in Trade. Okay, number 7 says, use the graphing tool in your word processor to create a circle graph of the data in the table above. Do not show a legend. Instead, format your graph to label each slice with the country name and percentage, including all other countries. Change the colors of the patterns to make your graph unique. Share your graph with the class. You can print this out when you get done and include this with this activity. All right, so first thing I want you to do is I want you to go into your drive and let's get a new document going. Just do a Google Docs and go ahead and put your name up here. That way we can identify it. Okay. Once you've done that, go to Insert. You want to insert a chart, and it's asking for a pie graph. So you're going to click on pie graph. It's going to insert just a random chart. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to change this to the percentages in the table in your activity. Okay. So you're going to go over here to the linked chart option, and you're going to open that source, and that is going to open up a like an Excel, like a spreadsheet. And what you're going to do is you're going to change these items to reflect what's in your U.S. trading partners table. Okay, so for instance, Team 1, you would change to Canada. And then you would come over here and change the percentage. And according to this, it's 19.4. Okay. If you need to move your graph over, you can just double click on it and move it over. You can add more rows. Okay. And as you change these, your pie chart will change. You also will want to change the title on your pie graph, and you can do that just by double clicking on it. And let's change it to Top U.S. Trading Partners 2005. Okay? Once you're completed, now this is not completed, but once it is completed, you should be able to click back onto your original document. Okay? And if it did not automatically update, hit update. Now, as you can see, the only one that I put in was Canada. Okay, you would have to change the rest of these. And that is adding a pie graph to a document. Okay? The only thing that I want you to make sure that you add is up in the header, put your name again. Okay? And you can go ahead and print it out to the black and white printer. In the lab, we don't need color. Black and white's fine. And turn it in with your activity. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.